Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got my Colourpop package today and I'm so excited because I have been waiting for this for quite some time, even though I did order it like last week when the second Hocus Pocus palette came out and everybody wanted the first batch, the first collaboration with the Hocus Pocus palette. So I got the second round of the Sisters palette of Gather Round Sisters from Hocus Pocus. I'm so excited because everybody is like raving about it and they still rave about it of how good. And I love the color story in this palette, so that's what the packaging looks like. And again, this kind of the same. I might keep the box, I'm not sure, but it's pretty much the same, but without the sisters. So that's pretty cool. And then I love the color story. I was like, yeah, I need it. So this is what it looks like. Pretty nice. I'm excited to play around with this palette. I'm excited I finally have it in my hands. Usually it would have been like Friday, they would have, you know, I would have had this box, but it was a day late. And I got this lippy. It says Fresh Kisses Lip Cream. And it's called The Rachel, my name. That's why I got it, because of my name, of course. And these small lippies are $8, but I'm excited. I should have just waited to put, you know, my other Project Pan lippies on, but I'm excited to have this. I like the Tinkerbell. I think that's new to their collection as well. It looks like a nice neutral color. I had to think about it, but very nice. Oh, that's beautiful. So that's what it looks like. I am excited to get this, and it has my name, The Rachel. Thought that was cute and a good find, because I normally just pick up palettes, but since the new cream, I think this is from their new line, I'm not sure, but it's a cream lippy and I'm really enjoying the Tinkerbell one, which is pretty much the same color. One with sparkles and one matte, and this one's lighter, and this one's a little mauvier. I like that. Back to my overload lip collection. And then I needed a red palette. So I got Main Squeeze. And of course, I love how Colourpop does their packaging. It's very nice. And I got Orangey Glad palette. And I love the, this one's hard to open. Love the snap, but this one's like harder to open for some reason. Okay. So here is the color story. It's kind of more in the pinky side. I was hoping more red. Looks beautiful in the camera. Yeah, I think that's fine. I wanted more red tones, so that's why I got this palette to get into more orange and reddish tones. But I like the orange palette better. So that is the two palettes in one lippy. Love the snap on these monochromatic palettes. Okay, and that's all I got was 3 things. I was like, okay. And last night, I was like, $20, okay. I got the Halloween mystery box from Juvia's Place just because it was $20 and you get quite a bit of stuff in it, I guess. So I'm excited. I was thinking about it. I didn't almost get it. I was just thinking about getting the Huda Beauty birthday mystery box, but I was like, no, I don't want to spend like $100 on that. I'm gonna do like the eye look with this, so I am going somewhere. I want to start off with probably Hello Salem, that pinky color. I always like to start off with pinky colors or neutral colors. So probably like Full Moon for the base of it, but it has like that beautiful sparkle. See that? So pretty. I'm gonna use this like 2-in-1 brush. It has like powder on it. I'm so out of place. I'm like so excited. I'm gonna use this Full Moon lightest shade all over the lid. I don't know why I'm so over. So today is Saturday and I couldn't wait. I wanted to play with this palette. Once I got it, I was like debating if I should wait or do a video now. And then go in with Hello Salem, that pinky color in the crease area. I was gonna do a palette bingo, but I don't know. Too excited. I was like kind of hoping it came yesterday because I don't know. Just wanted a day early, I guess. Like packages should always come a day early. What it says. That's like a really good surprise. Sometimes packages do that, like come one day earlier than expected. I was just hoping. Okay, I want to go. I do like this plummy shade, and then I do love this forest green shade. This is the color I wanted for my nails, but then I ended up with this color. I'm slowly taking them off, and it's so freaking hard. It's like messing with my beds. Like, oh, it's so disgusting. Yeah. I kind of want to go with Bewitched, this green color. Oh, so hard. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the green. The outer portion of my eye. So yeah, just going out to eat today with the family. Got my oil change, oil change in my car, so that was nice. So I could do more driving and not worry about anything. So got that done. And that was it. Doing a little bit more driving. I don't know, the last time I drove I was like nervous, but I drove good. I always drive good. I was a nervous wreck. That's just me. My nerves were shot, I guess, because I don't know. This happens for me. Like that green color. like a dusty forest green, like that. It's pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with, it's so hard to choose. There's so many colors. I don't know if I want to do a halo eye or what. I wanted to play with this plum color. My words are just not my filming day. That's probably why. I want to go in with Night of Forel. I can't see it. It's that plummy shade. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, that's gorgeous. If this comes out next year, do not miss this palette. That plummy shade actually came out really pretty. I thought it was gonna be dark plum. It's like really light. Oh, it's so pretty. Don't sleep on this palette. Hopefully it comes back out this year, like the middle of October, because this is so highly requested. Like, I was surprised that this palette is still like everybody's loving. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, don't sleep on this palette. I've been buying a lot of Colourpop this year, and I do not regret any palettes because this is gorgeous. I'm gonna go in with, of course, my eye primer and just go. I don't want to go too much, so then it just gets like messy. I just needed to go in the between the colors to do a halo look because this is such gorgeous. Yeah, I'm so glad they came back out because I was thinking like I should have got it. I should have got the palette. I should have got the palette. And now it came out and I'm like, must need in my collection. And at the last minute, I was like, should I really get this palette? No, I'm glad I got it. So, Wench, the shade right here. Don't be such a wench. Let's test this out. That's pretty. That is gorgeous. Colourpop, just see a BH. I think BH Cosmetics I barely bought this year, and I think Colourpop took its place. I still want to try the ice cream collection from BH, but I just don't feel like I need that order. That orange and green palette and that pink palette has been $9. So I'm like, I guess that's not everybody's favorite, but anywho, Colourpop is just, yeah, is the it of cosmetics and palettes this year. Let's see what's next year. Glamlight, I think, would be number 2 in my category, and then Colourpop's just number 1. I was like debating if I should get the new Glamlight collection, but I was like, you don't need it. I got enough greens and purples. That colorful one, I'm just like, I got tons of colors. Do I really need it? And I love the formula, but I don't dig as much into my Glamlight just because of now that it's fall, it's like they're mostly colorful palettes. That's what it's looking like. Do you like it? Tell me if you you like this look, if you want like a special look, you would, you know, tell me like what palettes you want to see. I need to do, well, pretty soon I'll do like another collection video where you see all of my collection. Yeah, because I like to like do that collection video middle of the year, beginning of the year to the end of the year. Well, end is beginning, so. I like to do those collection videos so you guys know what's in my collection. I need to totally stop buying, but it's just so hard to stop. I'm gonna go in with I Call It a Bus, that shimmery. See, another shimmery black. I love those shimmery blacks from Colourpop because it's actually how, you know, shimmer does not go away. Once you put it on, I see little specks. It's not like wow when you see it in the pan, but it's really pretty. Hopefully this video will go up and with no problem, because it's gonna be a little bit long video. I can't make a 40-minute video because it's just being a butt about it. Going in with this color, it's called Goodbye Cruel World. Next to the black, like a brown shimmer shade. Okay, I'm going in with this, I don't know what that says, but it's something Binks. You can see that. Going in the inner portion of this eye look. So here is the finished look. What do you think? I think it's pretty. I love the palette. Excuse me. I love the palette so much. The color story is on top of a grungy, good color story look. Color story, shades and everything. I just love it. So pretty. I highly recommend it. So if you can find this again, hopefully they come back out with it, because this is such a good palette. I liked it more than the new one. So I wanted more grungy tones instead of like bright and colorful, or bright and neutral and colorful. I think this one hit the spot of my liking, and yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. There was a little tune on fallout with these matte shades. Worked pretty good, performed really good. I really did enjoy it. I highly recommend it. Here's the look up close. I end up putting black as an eyeliner. This like shade right here. Very beautiful. I like it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.